Today, I'm going to show you how to change the pay period in QuickBooks Online. This is useful if an employee's payroll schedule changes or if the wrong pay schedule was selected. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Payroll. Then select Employees. Find the employee whose pay period you want to change. Click the employee's name to open their profile. Look for the Employment Details or Payroll Setup section. Click the pencil icon to edit the details. Now find the Pay Schedule section. Click the pencil icon beside the current pay schedule. Choose the pay schedule you want to use, such as weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. If the schedule you need is not already listed, select the option to create a new pay schedule. Enter the pay frequency. Then enter the next payday. Next, enter the end date for the next pay period. This is the last day of work covered by that paycheck. Give the schedule a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Once the schedule details look correct, click Save. Make sure the new pay schedule is selected for the employee. Then save the employee profile. QuickBooks will now use the updated pay period the next time you run payroll for that employee. And that's how to change the pay period in QuickBooks Online in 2026.